ideally, you should follow the manual where the manufacturer has specifically mentioned petrol with octane level of 95 is recommended for this Kushaq, which is a turbocharged TSI engine. I have been using XP95 or equivalent like HP Power, which I have got a very good result, HP Power, without any issue whatsoever. XP100 doesn't mean 100% petrol. Actually, as per report, I'm quoting some reports from available on the net, XP100 is not having any ethanol blending. But 100 means the octane number of this particular fuel is 100, whereas the octane number of XP95 is 95. Now, what is this octane number all about? See, I'm not a automobile engineer, neither I am a mechanical engineer, nor I am a chemical engineer. So I don't know much about it, but what I can understand as a normal human being is this: fuel will burn more consistently, or it will give more, should give more efficiency, because the octane number is higher. It will not give more power. The power that the vehicle is designed to deliver, which is 148 bhp in my case, will be the same, but it might give me a smoother ride. It has got XP100 will have some additional additives or chemicals which will help the fuel line to clean the residues, etc., whatever it is, carbon deposits, etc. This will clean more efficiently than what XP95 would do. And since its RON number is 100, so it should give a little bit of more refinedness and efficiency in the vehicle. So we'll look at that. So just wanted to check out that because of the higher octane value, whether my driving feel of the vehicle is changing or not, and or improving or not. And if it is so, then what better road it can be than the GS road. Guys, I'm telling you, if you have not come to Northeast India, and if you have not driven your car in this Guwahati-Shillong road, which is a 4-lane road, it's awesome. I love to drive this because the road is 4-lane, the curves are mild, you don't climb up too steep, okay, it's mild. You climb up 4,500 feet approximately over a distance of 95 kilometers, depending on which part of the Guwahati city you are traveling to, which part of Shillong town or city. So it can be more than 100 or so. So the gradient is very much within the limits as per the civil engineering road construction manual, and you can drive it in your 5th gear, 4th gear, 6th gear also sometimes. Okay, but some areas, some places you can only drive with 3rd gear. You can climb up. There's a steep climb sometimes, not very too many. Now you see the feel. I feel the engine is in a happy mood. Happy. Oh, like, you know, if supposing you are go to a party and not much, but 2-3 packs. मैं तो 3 पैक लेता हूँ, तो 2 पैक इस स्टैंडर्ड, तो 2 पैक मारने के बाद जो हैप्पीनेस फीलिंग आता है ना, वो इंजन में हो रहा है. I can feel it. And if I am pressing the throttle very mildly, it is taking off very, very quickly compared to what I used to get in XP95. This is I feel right now, okay? But I don't think that I will be using XP100, which is so expensive every time. It's not possible for me. I am a middle class man, so I will not do that. But I will surely try to use this once in every 6 months. It will ensure that the engine remains cleaner, healthier over a long period of time. And rest of the time, I will stick to XP95 the 95 octane fuel, which has been recommended by the company. मजा जो आ रहा है गाड़ी चलाने में वो अलग है। हाँ, तो ऐसा नहीं लग रहा है कि मैं 2 पैक पी के गाड़ी चला रहा हूँ ना, इट इज नॉट लाइक दैट। मेरे को लग रहा है कि तुषार बाबू ये 2 पैक चढ़ा के भाग रहा है एकदम बढ़िया से, मतलब थोड़ा सा हल्का सा थ्रॉटल दो, इज टेकिंग मोर स्विफ्टली।